Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have 3 impact animations by Inga's Media, a character art of a feathered boy by Tail Garden, a twin-tail girl by Haze, a smoker policewoman by Reira, an MV and MZ plugin by Takeshi Sunagawa that allows adding original types of vehicles. For these vehicles, we can set a unique BGM, customize passage, battle background, encounter rate, speed, orientation when stop, and airship altitude. And lastly, we have a series of 27 MZ plugins by Sir Legna. These include a plugin that sets a condition based on real-world time, a plugin that restores erased events, a plugin that changes switches and variables after a certain number of battles, saves, or after certain real-world seconds have passed, a plugin that auto-scales our game to reduce black bars, and many more other plugins. The special thing about this series is we can generate all the plugins we want from this series into a single plugin file. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.